T-Mobile error code 732 means your payment was declined due to an issue with your card or billing address. This happens because T-Mobile's system can't verify your payment information. Common causes include outdated card details, incorrect zip codes, or address mismatches. T-Mobile cross-references your billing address with what's on file to prevent fraud, and any discrepancy can trigger the error. Due to increased fraud detection and stricter address verification, legitimate users can encounter this. This isn't a device issue, but a billing problem. To fix error code 732, first, log into your T-Mobile account via the app or website. Go to Billing, Payment Methods, and carefully update your card details and billing address, ensuring everything matches your bank records. Clear the app's cache and retry the payment. If problems persist, contact T-Mobile support via live chat or by calling 611 for a manual override. To prevent this, ensure your card isn't expired, has sufficient funds, and the registered address is correct. Consider enabling two-factor authentication, 2FA, to reduce fraud risks.